Is lag ruining your Fortnite mobile victories on your Samsung device? Let's fix it. First, let's optimize the game itself. Open Fortnite Mobile and head to the Settings menu, usually accessed via the 3 lines or cogwheel icon on the main screen. Now, in the Settings, navigate to the Graphics tab. Lower the graphics quality setting to medium or low. This will significantly reduce the strain on your phone's processor. Next, reduce the frame rate to 30 FPS. While higher frame rates are nice, 30 FPS provides a good balance between smoothness and performance on mobile devices. Disable any extra graphical effects. Now, let's tweak your Samsung device settings. Close Fortnite and open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. From there, tap on Battery. Make sure Power Saving Mode is turned to FF when playing Fortnite. This mode limits performance to save battery. Back in Battery and Device Care, select Memory and then tap Clean Now. This will free up RAM and improve performance. Another tip is to go to Settings and Advanced Features. Find and enter the Game Booster section. Check that the settings are optimized for performance. And that's it. By optimizing both Fortnite's graphics settings and your Samsung device's performance, you should experience smoother gameplay and fewer lag spikes. Now, go get that victory royale.